Hi everybody. So today update is different. It's vertical uh, or in portrait mode. We'll see how it goes. Uh, the whiteboard hasn't really changed at all. Well, it's day 5. I think things are getting a little bit better. Uh, let's see. I think right now it's about 1 p.m. or noon actually. So the last oxycodone I took was around 4 a.m. So I'm hoping to stay away from it for the rest of the day and maybe just take 1 or 2 for the night. Uh, but anyway, the pain is still there, still swollen. My back pain got a little better, I think, because I really started exercising and stretching and all that. Uh, the range of motion very limited. I'll show you later. Uh, One thing I wanted to make clear, like always when I do these updates, look, I mean, I even changed into the workout clothes, but actually, I spent most of my days in pajamas. So, in pajamas and laying down on a sofa with my leg elevated above my head, and either I'm watching TV or just, maybe playing a game on my phone, but that's all I can do. Just actually this morning I was changing from like a lying down position to the sitting up position, and it just was, even that process was very exhausting. So I sat up and like, I need to take a break because just shifting your body, moving your leg is really hard. uh, let's see, looks like I forgot my belt, so we'll see if I can get away without it. uh, Maybe it's a good time to start practicing. So, other than that, I am trying to exercise twice a day. So now you will see one set of exercises. I'll stop talking and just do my exercises and speed up through them if I figure out how to do it with some video editing software. If you have a suggestion for good video editing software, something free, because I don't need anything expensive special, please let me know. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I'm doing the ankle pumps for sure, the leg extensions, and I'm trying to do the heel slides. I think those are the 3 most important exercises. Uh, okay, so that's about it. Yeah. So what I want to say is most of the day I'm actually lying down, leg elevated. Often I sit and can't do much else. So the first few days after surgery, I was hoping everything would be better, but or faster, like the recovery would be faster. But I guess I set a too optimistic expectations. So I'm adjusting them, and hopefully, one day I always wake up in the morning or go to bed in the morning hoping that I'll wake up and my swelling will go away, or I wake up and the pain will be gone. And so far, it has not happened. So let me see. Let me see if I can come up here just to show you how swollen my legs are. Yep. So this thigh is just huge, and it's a little bit of discoloration too. This is not leaking anymore, so that's good, but I wish the swelling went away. And my calves are bigger too, but I always feel like they're about to explode. So let's see. Again, the same as going up and down the stairs. Leading with my bad leg, come softly down and put my good leg down. Okay. Okay, so I'll just do my exercises. I'll start with the leg ones, and then I'll do the upper body. And I probably won't talk much. I'll just do them. And so let's see. Oh, can do the leg extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just tightening this muscle, nothing else. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and let's do the ankle pumps. For that I can lay down. Okay, and then now let's do the heel slides. That's the tricky one. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I feel like it's actually worse than yesterday. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and okay. Let's see if I can bring my leg carefully. This one. Okay. So, getting better without a belt. One exercise that I figured out yesterday is using the reclining chair to help me bend my knees so I can go up, down, up. I mean, this is up, down, up. I'm trying to lift my leg just a little bit. Come on. Mm. Okay, 20. Okay, so this one has an advantage that I can bring the legs down. Okay, awesome. So now I showed you one exercise yesterday, but that was a stupid one, so I don't do that. And what I do instead, I exercise. So now if I want to get rid of the blood in my leg, I just raise my leg up. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, so it is painful. So I'll do my upper body a little bit and then, then wrap up. So okay, start with push-ups. Okay, that was 30 mini push-ups, not full push-ups obviously. I can do, this is good. And let's do, this is 8 pounds I think. So the weight is not too much. For the flies is good. Okay, and then I'll do the rows. Okay, some chants. Well, my leg is tired, not my hands. And then I'll do just a little bit of shoulders. Okay, almost done. I need to drink. Okay. See, I was not paying attention or being careful enough, and yeah, I put too much weight on my knee, and that was not good. Okay, my favorite exercise, bicep, press up. Okay. So yeah, this was pretty much my workout. Actually, one thing I do, which I kind of roughly did. So I can do some stretches, but we have to be very careful, or I have to be very careful. I really like to arch my back. Yeah. So notice that my weight was still on my good leg. I really put very little weight on my bad leg. Let me do it one more time. So just the back. Okay. Back stretch. And be careful not to step on the swollen leg too much. Well, yeah, that was a good workout. Short one, but you know, that's all I can do. And now I'm gonna lay down, elevate, ice, and suffer for like half an hour because of the exercises. But I think they are really needed to help the recovery. And I'm gonna have another set. I'll do another set later in the evening, like just before dinner. And hopefully I won't lose too much of the agility that I had before the surgery, and the knee will get better at the same time. All right, talk to you next time.